that it will ever happen like that, though. Now, welcome to stockmarketfunding.com. What we would like to show you is that the Dow was down at one time 1,000 points. It's called capitulation. We also told people on other tapes that they were getting exuberant, and all of these charts, weekly charts, monthly charts, was extremely overbought. And we were so overbought, and the manipulation of Wall Street, they got the public in again, and they crashed the bomb. At one time, that Dow was down 1,000 points. And at one time, that S&P, I think, was close to 100 points. We were down 100 and some points here. And they capitulated. That's where they take out all the stock markets. So just think of it like this. Let me show it on the tape here. Is that this is what they did. This is how crooked they are. Every order that is clear down here, see all the stop orders down here at 111, 109, all of these orders that are down here, what they did was, like I said, they always do. They printed right through the whole market. Every stop order was taken all the way down. And you were down over 1,000 points on the Dow. Now you're only down 296. You bounced almost 700 points off the low on the Dow. And the S&P was clear down to whatever it was. I'll show you where it went. And the thing about it is, that's what I've always told people. I've always told people that in the seminars. I've always told investors that. I've always told traders that. The last time that we had that was in September of 2008. And look at the drop. Take a look here on the high. The high on the S&P was 1167. They dropped the S&P down to 1065. That was 100 points intraday on the S&P. What I would like to tell people is that the NASDAQ comp at one time on capitulation, market capitulation, we said that it was coming. We told Rick Goley, and the minute that Rick Goley knew that, we went down to 2185 right here. And now we bounced. They brought it all the way down here to 2185 to that 200-day moving average, tested it, and off they went. And they're crooks. They shook everyone out of their positions. They took all the stops out. Market capitulation. All points bulletin. This was a true market capitulation. I can only tell you, watch the Dow. Look at this bar. Look at the high down here. The high of the day was 10,879. The low on the Dow was 9869.62. That was a 1,000-point drop. And I'm excited on the tape. But guess what they did to the investor? In their manipulative ways, they take out all the stop losses. People sell in panic, margin calls. But guess what? It all truly started when the bull got extremely exuberant. And then, as we told our students, there was going to be a big correction, but not the capitulation. You never know when they're going to capitulate a market. And this is a bear market. And this will go down in SMF trading history. And now it's time to go hunting and make some money off of these lows. Because capitulation down, and they recapitulate it right up. Take all the buyers out. All the sellers. Get them all out. Printed right through them, and then they bounce it. Welcome to Wall Street.